Hey Lennar fans, Roberto Lee here with Pinnacle Property, and today we are previewing the Princeton model by Lennar Homes. The Princeton is part of the Manor line of homes at many of Lennar's Southwest Florida communities. This home here is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, over 2,200 square foot of living space home. You get a 3-car garage. This particular model is being used as an office for Lennar. So you see the single stall right there on the right, and where you see the double door entry there, that would be your 2-car stall. So a total of 3-car garage. Well, let's walk inside and take a look at this beautiful home here. So as we go into the Princeton here, you'll have a nice little entryway. To the right, we have the formal dining area, but to the left, we have the 2 guest bedrooms. Let's take a look at those first. Right up here towards the front is your first guest bedroom. And then sandwiched in between the second guest bedroom is the guest bath here, shown with the single sink, commode, and the combination tub and shower. And then you have the second guest bedroom here. Now coming right back out directly across, you've got the formal dining. And straight down this hallway here, we've got a couple of things. We have the laundry area here, and then what would be your garage. Again, this is the office for Lennar, so the garage is converted into offices. But that would be your garage, and this here would be your laundry space where you have room for 2 full-size washer and dryers and a utility sink. Now just off the laundry space here, you have your 3rd guest bedroom. Many people use this as an office, so you do see the built-in setup here as well. Now coming straight across, we're going to get into the main portion of the home here, where you've got your kitchen overlooking your great room area here. Really nice use of the space. Kitchen's got these nice granite countertops, full stainless steel appliance package. You have the wall oven and microwave here, your cooktop. Then you've got a nice pantry right there next to the fridge. And here in your eating kitchen area, you've got a nice window that goes out to your views, your pool area, and you also have a door leading out to your lanai. But this is an awesome use of space here. You've got this nice island overlooking your great room space. And if you're entertaining with dining as well, everybody's still part of the action. Now, last but not least, for the inside, you have the master bedroom. Huge master suite here. That's a king-size bed for reference. From the master, you've got these nice big windows here, allowing for lots of natural light, and you also have access out to your lanai. Here you have a huge closet. This is the storage closet for Lennar's folks. But you can see the size and scope of what you would get here for your master closet. And then you have the master bath here with the dual sinks. You've got the soaking tub, and then you also have the standalone shower here. You've got a linen closet in here as well. And then you also do have the enclosed water closet here. Now, last but not least, you have the outdoor living space. You've got a nice size lanai under truss here. So here's your covered lanai, and that leads us right into your outdoor kitchen here. So plenty of space for outdoor living, and then this overlooks the pool and spa area. On this particular home site, you've got a nice lake view, and then you also have plenty of room for lounging right outside next to your pool as well. All right, folks, so this is the Princeton floor plan by Lennar. You can find this at many of Lennar's Southwest Florida communities. So one last look here at the inside. All right, folks, if you're interested in the Princeton, we can help you find this layout in many of the communities that Lennar builds here in the area. This is Roberto with Pinnacle Property, and we appreciate you watching.